Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to talk about sacada with a little colgadita, colgada.
We're going to be explaining the lead and the follow and common problems that we have during this figure.
Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, here we are at the dance floor, so we want to show you the figure. So we want to do the cross with a little colgadita, how to uncross here before going to resolution.
So let us show you first. We're going to do this. One, and one, zoom, one, ra-pa-pa. Super fun figure to do at the milonga, and especially doing this colgada. It is doable at the milonga because we are in the line of dance and we in a space that leaders, that we are in charge of the navigation, it is in a place that we see if we are able to do it or not. So, cool to do there.
So if you decide to go back for the colgada, if you see someone in your back or other couples around, don't make it too large. Even if you receive the lead, don't make it too large. Don't extra do it because you can kick someone. So be careful with that.
So now, tips. Leaders first, we are doing side step. Now, the side step is not larger than her. Normally, we tend to take a step larger than her because we walk on her right side. In this case, it's the same size. Let's say same size. I'm lifting her. Now, another thing that I'm doing, I'm displacing my hip and changing body weight to my right. And even though we always said feet together to be very, very clean, in a clean position, but in this case, we are taking a small step, side step, and displace your hip. But the idea is when we do that, do not switch her body weight. She should remain with body weight on the right. So I'm lifting her. From here, I'm going to lower and send the leg. This is the first case. I'm lifting, sending her leg. Once I send her leg, I proceed to do the sacada. Upper thighs will contact first, and from here, once I transfer body weight, I will continue with my rib cage in a way that she can go farther. Why she will know that it's a colgada? Because I'm lifting her from the connection we have on her back. So from here, I will pull back with my right shoulder blade to bring her back into the cruzada. She crosses because I'm pulling back with my right shoulder blade and creating a diagonal position. So I'm crossing from your rib cage, switching body weight, and crossing to accommodate the next position, and also for styling. Walking out into a resolution. Pum, pum, pum.
So followers, let us show you again from the beginning. Side step. He transfer body weight, I keep the weight on the right. Open the left shoulder so he can walk on your left. And wait until you feel the body weight changes to the back leg and you will feel the displacement on the right, on your front leg. This is not with the knees. This is upper leg, reaching upper leg, so he's not doing an accent with the knee. Followers don't expect that. It's just a very subtle touch on upper legs. And then you make a circle, starting front, side, and back. I'm not going to colgada because I don't have the lead yet. It could be without the colgada, going to the cross or feet together. But in this case, he's moving forward a little bit the ribs and expansion, extending, and that will extend my position so I can hang the leg in the back. To have more power, I'm making a little bit softer on the front leg so I can split and stretch the position, waiting for him to go up and lifting. In this case, I'm going to the cross, lifting in axis. Then we switch body weight to the back leg. Be sure to go from here to the front. So my left foot is extending front at first and then going back to position, waiting for the leader to walk to resolution in this case.
Nice. So, important thing, for example, when she's in colgada, the idea is not to face her square. That's tip number one and the most important. Let me do that one more time.
Okay, wait just a minute. We have to tell you something very important. You have to go to our website and enjoy our Tango School online tango training.
Our website is miriamleonardotango.com, and you will find a lot of content for followers, for leaders, for couples, for vals, for milonga, you name it, all different styles. Definitely you're going to find something that you will enjoy.
Now back to the video.
So we do side step, we create the angle, and when we do the sacada, I am sending her out from my right connection, and look at my left shoulder. Pulling back. Even if I'm still in embrace, of course you are still in embrace, but can you see that I'm kind of diagonal? If I look at her with my torso, she won't trust us. Yes, she will start collapsing. She won't think that we can support her. Diagonal position. Boom. Now pulling back, lifting. Do not rush here. She needs to cross, uncross, and after that, get ready. So the tip number 2 for the leader is to lift to uncross, prepare with cross or without cross, whatever you want, but the idea is to prepare the position and from there walk out. Yes, a lot of leaders after the sacada will tend to do one, cross and walk, and she's like tripping. Yeah, not good.
Yeah, and followers also, let's rotate the
Sure.
angle, let's change so we can show you in the embrace what happened here. This is close embrace. When he moved to our left side, release the arm. Don't keep it too tight, close embrace. I'm releasing when I feel he's moving so he can walk on our left side. So we have the sacada. This is again with a little bit space here. And get into the colgada, if you're going to extend, keep the embrace and we extend from his forearm. Be careful, followers, don't do this. Don't change the position of your arm. And having the connection on the shoulder blade, his shoulder blade to go back extended, but not moving my hand from this position. This is my point of connection here. Back to cross, and cross at first. Let's go to the very close embrace and feet together position before the resolution. Back, side, and close embrace resolution. Very important not to move the frame much because that will pull them and it's harder for our back as well to do the colgada.
The thing that I always experience is the follower has the tendency, when I'm doing this at the milonga or with another partner, follower has the tendency to cross by herself. Do not cross by yourself if you don't feel the lead, yes? So don't rush that little crossing.
Yeah, the timing is very important. Try to extend each position, followers, so there is more possibilities for the leader to go to different figures or to do this cleaner, nicer, interpret the music. So don't rush the moves. Let's show you one more time with the dynamic. So you can see when we are talking about the timing. 1 and 2 here, waiting for him to collect, waiting to uncross, and we resolve the step.
Even if we do this faster, because we are doing a faster rhythm or whatever, still has those little waiting moments. Very, very tiny. Let's do it faster. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7. For example, we did it with a faster pace, faster dynamic, like more Larici style, but always try to give her the time to extend the leg, to uncross, all that kind of thing.
If it's faster, you have to do it shorter. If you feel followers, if you feel the lead is faster, the music is faster, don't try to make a long colgada. Respect the timing, but it will be more like just going back into the cross, front, and to the feet together. Don't wait there too much.
Thank you everybody for your support. Thank you for being here and thank you for being all the way until the end.
Okay, remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and enjoy all the videos. Thank you so much.
Bye.